Hey, Mona Shores Middle School, what's up, everybody? It is Tom Coverly, the Illusionist. I want to take a moment and just inspire and encourage you. Now, none of us would have ever thought we would be in times like this. There's some of you, you're laying around at home, you get to sleep in, and you're like, man, this is the life. And then there's others, you're like, just get me back to school. I want to be around my friends. Regardless of how you feel about the situation, I want to remind you a couple things that we've talked about during the school assembly. Number one, respect yourself. Truth is, you're perfect. Truth is, you're no mistake. And number two, respect others. Now listen, if you're not a mistake, then neither is anyone else in your school. Remember that. Now, when I was there, the majority of you stood up and you gave your commitment to be a real man and a real woman. I want to remind you that real men, real women know how to respect others, even though there's differences. Don't forget it. I love you guys.